The color link effect is one that I don't use very often at all, and it's probably one that I would imagine you wouldn't use every day. It's more of a utilitarian effect, so I'm not really sure why it's in color correction, but nevertheless, let's talk about what it does here. Basically, its purpose is to examine a layer, a piece of footage, and give you information about averages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this layer here, and I'm going to add color link. And first, what you need to do is select the source layer, the layer that you want to get information from. By default, it defaults to itself. Now, we just have two duplicates here, so it doesn't really make that much of a difference. But when you use this effect in real life, make sure that you select the layer that you want to analyze here. And the sample parameter here is the big one. This is what's going to give you the information. So right now, we're looking at the average color value. If you took all the different color values and averaged them together, this would be the color in the middle. Median is the color that's used the most. And there's a few others here, the brightest pixel, the darkest pixel, the maximum RGB values, and all that kind of stuff. And we can use the clip value so that you basically can get rid of the brightest brights and the darkest darks. So you can kind of eliminate noise and other kind of freakish pixels that probably shouldn't be there. So if you just kind of want to get a better feel for averages without the freaks on either side, on the end, on the darkest or the lightest side, then you could increase the clip value. And of course, we could reduce the opacity or use a blend mode to blend this into itself. But essentially, you get the point, is that it's not unbelievably helpful. It's just good for analyzing a particular layer and averaging pixel color values.